Meet Alex, our everyday minifig who's been doing great with budgeting. Emergency fund steadily growing, categories under control. Life feels pretty solid. Then one day, the phone lights up with a notification. Limited edition new phone launch. Alex scrolls through the reviews, price tag stings a bit, but the payment plan is just $50 a month. Seems totally manageable, so card swiped, problem solved. Over the next few weeks, friends start posting vacation photos everywhere. Everyone's going! Alex hesitates for a moment, then books flights and a hotel on another credit card, committing to just one more monthly installment. A gym membership goes on sale for a modest monthly fee. Discounted designer sneakers pop up with an easy payment plan. Each one feels reasonable on its own, just tiny recurring charges. But gradually, Alex notices takeout happening more often, and coffee runs become a daily habit. His budget categories start shrinking quietly. Something feels a little off. A few months later, the credit card statements start piling up. The balances look high, but the minimum payments are surprisingly small. Alex breathes a sigh of relief. It seems like an easy fix. Across several cards, the monthly payments add up to a manageable sum. For now, the budget still seems to hold. At the coffee shop, Jamie notices Alex looking stressed and asks what's wrong. Nothing, just $60 monthly payments. Alex shrugs. Jamie shakes their head, grabs a napkin, and draws a circle. Minimum payments are a dangerous interest trap, Alex. Almost all of that money goes straight into the bank's pocket as interest, while almost nothing actually pays off what you originally spent. Jamie explains that at this rate, a simple purchase can take decades to fully pay off, ending up costing many times the original price. Alex stares at the napkin, stunned and silent. Month 3, paycheck lands. Rent, food, transport, all covered as usual, but credit minimums have climbed to $75 total. Fun category hits 0 instantly. Alex politely declines friend's dinner invite, feeling a bit left out. Phone buzzes again. $35 late fee on one card. Now monthly total jumps to $110. Money meant for emergency fund gets blocked again. Friends start asking, "Where have you been?" Alex mumbles, "Busy." But the truth is, the wallet's chained up. That shiny phone already has scratches, sneakers are wearing out, vacation memories fading, but the debt keeps growing heavier. Late at night, opening the app, balances creep from 800 to 852. The trap tightens slowly. Month 5 brings a real crisis when Alex's work laptop dies completely. Repair costs hundreds, a new one even thousands. But the cards are nearly maxed, with just one having a little room left. No choice, Alex swipes again. Now debt towers across 4 cards, minimums eating most of the paycheck. The emergency fund stays safe, smart move, but money vanishes before the weekend hits. Alex starts skipping groceries as ramen life returns, and friends gradually drift away. The mirror shows tired eyes and stress lines forming. Jamie texts, "Talk?" But Alex ignores it. Pride too high. The bank app buzzes nonstop. Payment due. Balance growing. Those tiny payments have become a monster. Month 7, everything collapses. Boss calls that morning. Numbers due tomorrow. Alex opens the work laptop. Black screen, completely dead. Coffee shop computers cost too much per hour, and even several hours straight can't catch up. Deadline missed. Performance, review tanks. Pay cut warning hangs over everything. That night, Alex sits on the living room floor surrounded by credit card statements. The phone screen glows with the banking app. Total debt pushing thousands higher. Every monthly payment feels like dropping stones into deep water, not even a ripple. Interest alone eats most of it, barely covering minimums. Finally, Alex calls Jamie, voice shaking. "I can't breathe. Every payment barely makes a dent. I thought I was smart, but now even basic life feels impossible." Jamie listens quietly, then says gently, "That's exactly what the debt snowball fixes. Simplest method ever. Guaranteed to work." Jamie grabs the whiteboard and starts from basics. List all debts, smallest to largest. Ignore interest rates. Pay the minimum on every debt except your smallest one. Throw every extra dollar at that smallest debt until it's gone. Alex stares at the list, starting with the gym card as target number 1, working forward step by step. Each cleared card feels like one less chain. Savings tricks stay practical. Brew coffee at home, $20 a week saved. Cancel one streaming service, $15. Ramen dinners a couple nights, $10. These small changes add up to $100 extra each month. The real magic is that forward momentum. First debt gone, Alex does a victory pose in the mirror. Roll that full payment to the next smallest. Speed builds naturally. Debt shrinks like a snowball melting in sunlight. Whole process takes just 16 months versus decades on minimums, saving thousands in interest. Fast forward 1 year, the two Alex live totally different lives. Alex, who's stuck with minimum payments, still owes $4,200, pays $200 per month. Ramen's now daily life. Friends faded away, job hanging by a thread. Alex using the Snowball method, completely debt-free. Emergency fund back to $800. Weekend dinners with friends back on, confidence fully restored. Same paycheck. One chased shiny things plus endless interest. Other chose real freedom. Your simple homework. Open phone notes, list debts smallest to largest, pay minimums on everything except your smallest debt. Dump every extra dollar at that smallest one until it's paid off. Clear it. Then roll the full payment to your next smallest. Alex's savings hacks. Skip one coffee, ramen twice weekly, cancel unused subscriptions. Small changes create their own momentum. Your turn. List your debts tonight. Attack the smallest first. Watch the snowball roll. One cleared card equals momentum for life.